Yeah, what's up, guys? I just want to encourage you again to get out into nature. Grab a book, go out somewhere in the woods, sit down, preferably next to something that's very relaxing and healing, and get some natural sunlight. You're going to get that vitamin D production. And it's not healthy to sit inside all day under those artificial lights and that stagnant air. You want that fresh oxygen, air circulation, fresh sunlight, and you're gonna feel a whole lot better for it. So get outside, go out, do something, doesn't matter what it is. You'll feel so much better, I can tell you that. So find a spot kind of like this if you can. It's very nice. I got a little river going through here, a little stream, and I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna study. So go find somewhere that you enjoy being, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later.